I'm energized with superpowers I didn't have before. Otrium is an online fashion outlet founded in 2016 in Amsterdam. So the old way of working was very manual, I would say. When running paid media, it's so important to run at the velocity and scale with different hooks, because all these ad platforms that we use love all these kinds of new angles and creatives. So it was frustrating for us as a paid media team. We had to wait for almost 3 weeks from briefing to go live. By not testing as much as we want, I think we're leaving on the table a lot of potential growth in the end. Now finally, with Hightouch Ad Studio, we have full ownership from briefing to execution within our team. We could go from one idea to 50 or even 100 formats. It enables us to really go big and test and iterate on certain hooks that we would never thought of before. I think what surprised me most is the quality of the assets it's generating. I think it doesn't need a lot of iterations. I think some small tweaks are needed sometimes in terms of copy and text, but I think in terms of our visual identification, it really grabs what Otrium is all about. This new way of creating ads for us was clearly working when I realized the time to execution was reduced by 70 to 80%. Before, I think it took us almost 4 weeks in general. Now that has been dropped, so I would say it will take only 1 week. We also noticed when we start testing the assets ourselves that the CTR was up by, I think, 13%, sales went up by 15%, and the ROAS versus our business as usual assets were also up by 10%. If Hightouch would disappear tomorrow, I would first cry for a week, and then I would think life has been too efficient and great with it. I think if I compare the old growth marketeer Philip with the new one, I would say I feel like I'm energized with superpowers I didn't have before. It gives us, as a team, but also me, much more opportunity to go all in on certain campaigns and things we want to run. I can't imagine going back to the old way of working, so I love to explore what's next together with Hightouch.